focus now. Supreme Court has directed all states and union territories, National Highway Authority and civic bodies to remove stray cattle from national highways, state highways and roads. The Supreme Court has also directed states and union territories to form the Highway Patrol Team to catch stray cattle from roads and put them in shelter homes where they will be taken care of. Citing the rise in dog bite incidents, the court directs all the state governments and union territories to within 2 weeks identify government institutions including district hospitals, public sports complexes and railway stations and ensure that these premises are adequately fenced to prevent the entry of stray dogs. The task must be completed within 8 weeks. The court has directed that every stray canine found in such premises is to be removed, sterilized and relocated to shelters without being released in the same area. Justice Mehta notes that allowing their return would defeat the very purpose of the exercise. The amicus report was included in the order warning of strict action for negligence. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, we have the order now. Please take us through the details of what all the Supreme Court has directed.
Well, it's a very, in a way, strong, clear order by the Supreme Court, although the copy of the order is still, is still to be out. We'll probably get it by evening in public domain as to what exactly the top court has said. Pointers given by the top court order, when the court dictated, the three-judge bench dictated the order, and they dictated it for some 15 minutes. And here are the very important pointers of this about. And here the Supreme Court has directed all states and union territories to file, details, and also here. The top court has said that the strict compliance and accountability of the senior state officials should be there while adhering to the this particular order, and ask them to file detailed affidavit, and also has made of stray dogs has been made the part of the order, and the top court has cautioned that any laxity in implementing this particular order will be viewed seriously. And also, if we talk about what else the Supreme Court has said, then the top court three-judge bench reaffirmed earlier directions given by Rajasthan High Court, where all states will have to now ensure the removal of stray animals from highways and public roads. This is also very important. Here the Supreme Court has very clearly said that all states will have to ensure that proper fencing should be done, and also the chief secretaries have been directed to personally ensure the compliance in this particular case and submit a comprehensive report within 8 weeks, is said by the three-judge bench. And also, the Supreme Court has made it clear that the officers would be held personally responsible for any violation of its direction. So these are the fresh set of directions, and Justice Sandeep Mehta read out these directions, and also the top court has focused on institutional and public areas such as district hospitals, sport complexes, railway stations, and also state and union territories will identify such government premises within 2 weeks and ensure that adequate fencing and preventive measures are to be in place, and this is to be done within 8 weeks to prevent the entry of stray dogs. So this is what is the order of the Supreme Court. This is the, what is, they have come up with this in an open court, although detailed order will be given. The copy of the order will come out probably by evening.
All right. Thank you so much, Samba, for all those details. I'm also joined on the broadcast by Advocate Jasmine Damkewala, Advocate of the Supreme Court. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Appreciate your time. We want to start off with your opening comments on this new order that has the new directive by the Supreme Court on this stray dog menace.
So, I would say I object to the word. There are some sitting, but there are accidents also, rapes also, crime also. There is no menace. Yes, there are some unfortunate incidents of bites. Basically, what I want to say, the sum and substance of this order is, we are dismayed by the fact that no party was heard. The court was full of pleaders, many parties, stakeholders, organizations, many people who had a say, who've been working on this all their lives. They have the know-how, they have the scientific knowledge. They wanted to put forth their contentions. However, the Honorable, in its own wisdom, indicated on the last date that it would not hear anybody and pass orders. Accordingly, the matter was listed for orders today. And when it was mentioned during the conclusion of the last hearing, the Honorable, that parties need to be heard before passing of an order. The Honorable basically said that we will be passing for your contentions. So we were hoping that some fair contentions would be made, which would be more balanced, so that any order which came out would be a proper speaking order with reasons, and after weighing every pro and con, because there are two sides to every coin. It is not that there is a blanket dog and you need to take the other. So there is a animal cruelty going on. There is a lot of cruelty going on, harassment of feeders. Women are being people. There is a lot going on. It is not just that suddenly the dogs have decided to get up and fight people. It is most of.
Right, I believe we have a problem with the connection over there with Advocate Damkewala. However,